Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial. How to view Wi-Fi password on Android without root, 2025. If you've ever forgotten your Wi-Fi password or need to share it with a friend, this method is a game changer because it doesn't require rooting your device, keeping everything safe and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you need this? In 2025, Android devices have tightened security, but there are still built-in ways to access saved passwords without jumping through hoops. Make sure your Android is running the latest version, like Android 15 or above, for the best results. Step 1. Open your Settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top and tapping the gear icon. Once there, scroll down and tap on Network and Internet, or Connections, depending on your device. Step 2. In the Network section, look for Wi-Fi and tap on it. You'll see a list of saved networks. Tap on the network whose password you want to view. Step 3. Now, hit the Share button or the gear icon next to the network name. This might prompt you for your device's security, like a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. Once authenticated, you'll see an option to view the password. On some devices, it might say, Show Password. Just tap that, and it'll reveal it. A quick tip. If this doesn't work, double-check your Android version or ensure you're on a network you've previously connected to. Remember, this feature is available on most stock Android devices, but custom skins like Samsung's One UI might vary slightly. And there you have it. Your Wi-Fi password is now visible without any root access. Always be cautious with passwords to protect your network security. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.